Here we got the Mele F10 Deluxe. Let's see what's inside the box. First, we see the F10 Deluxe. We got a USB cable for the charging. Got the USB receiver for pair the F10 Deluxe to your TV, smart box, or your PC. You also can see a quick start guide for the F10 Deluxe. So that's it. Now F10 Deluxe, the famous air mouse, is very popular on the internet. One of the most important functions is that it can be used to learn the buttons on other remote control. Today we show you how to learn buttons on F10 Deluxe. First, we will show you the buttons on the F10 Deluxe. These 4 buttons on the bottom of Deluxe cannot be learned. Other buttons above can be learned, except this button. Now we'll show you how to learn buttons from TV remote to the F10 Deluxe. First, let's learn power on button. First, you need to press TV mode button on the F10 Deluxe. Then you will see the red LED flashing. Then you press power button on the F10 Deluxe. You will see the red flashing very fast. Right now you can press power button on the TV remote. Then the red LED will flashing and slowly. Now we want to learn more buttons. For example, we want to learn volume up and volume down on the F10 Deluxe. The method is the same as previously. Press TV remote. And press volume up on the F10 Deluxe. Now press volume up on the TV remote. Again, you can learn volume down. Yeah. The LED flashing slowly, which means you have learned the buttons from the TV remote to the F10 Deluxe. Now you have learned the power buttons and the volume up and down on the F10 Deluxe from the TV remote. Let's try to check if it has been learned successfully. Normally, all the buttons are in the My Box mode. If you want to use the TV mode, which you have learned the buttons from TV remote, you have to press it for once. Then all these buttons are the buttons you have learned from the TV remote. You can see we just press the power button, which you have learned from the TV remote, and the TV has been turned on. You can also press volume up and down. which means these 3 buttons has been learned successfully. You can also do the same method to learn other buttons on the TV remote.